Welcome to Releasit. In this walkthrough, we'll explore the redesigned Quantity Offers feature, created to help you boost your average order value with precision and flexibility. Start by accessing the Quantity Offers section from your Releasit dashboard. Creating an offer is simple. You can define the offer name, select the products you want to include, set up quantity tiers, assign specific prices, and configure both product conditions and the visual design, all with just a few clicks. You can also upload and change the offer image to better reflect your brand or highlight key products. All pricing is displayed in your store's local currency, ensuring consistency and clarity for your customers. With live preview support, you can now choose from multiple display models to match your brand, from classic horizontal layouts to modern and vertical styles, each designed for clarity and performance. You can also display the quantity offer above the Buy button, only in pop-up form mode. Customize every detail, from the button text to colors, fonts, and field spacing. This ensures your offers blend seamlessly with your storefront's design. All changes you make are responsive in real time across desktop, tablet, and mobile views. What you see is what your customers get, no surprises. That's a quick look at the enhanced Quantity Offers feature in Releasit. Start offering more and let your customers buy smarter. Need to make quick changes? Enable or disable quantity offers from the overview screen instantly without disrupting your setup.